You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Oh, with the clip.
Yeah, GW690. Mark II, Fuji. Medium format, 6x9.
Some shots here.
Yeah, no worries, no.
Okay, that's what it looks like. Like behind us. Natty?
Natty with us.
Batty? Come on. Hey, we got head further back here because the police said we gotta be further in.
Oh,
Yeah.
You might not be able to shoot the flash again.
Hey.
That ain't a problem for me.
Hey. My flash is back at the house. That lighting is great. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh my goodness. Bonnie. Yes. Who's your favorite American? I got a couple. You can give me one. Oh yeah, hold that right there. Oh my goodness. Yes, I love that. Right there. Yeah, right there.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello, to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind and take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's
Okay, I got it.
Set up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. I know.
Perfect, perfect. Sarah, you shouldn't have. Oh, perfect. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Love that. Perfect. Let me give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to get some of the camels in the back, all right? Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. Now. Okay, perfect. 1, 2. Yeah, we need that. We need that. Let me bump this a little bit. Okay, there we go. Let me try to get the camels in there. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. Oh. Come this side. Get some this way. Oh, that's.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not
Yeah, see, she hit the. Oh.
I wish I knew.
I'm losing balance and all sorts.
Sarah, I'll wait finishing up. Come here. I'll shoot.
Like leg, yeah, leg out. Leggy, yeah. And then this one, I want you to almost like this way.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. We've been out here for a while. Y'all see this beautiful light right here? Amazing kiss of light coming over the horizon. I need to get a shot right there, actually. But I put my camera up, so. How you feel, Sarah?
I'm tired now.
Tired?
Yeah, but it was fun.
Sun?
It was fun in the sun. It was good.
It was good. You had a great time?
Had a great time.
Okay. That's all that matters, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
That's what it's about. That's what
Fun
it's about.
in the sun. Okay? What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.